Hello everyone, thank you for watching the interview videos. I'm Atsushi, the organizer of the DevRelKaigi 2025. It is an international developer relations conference from Japan. It will held on Tokyo on October 2nd to 4th, 2025. In this interview session, talking with Sumit was one of the amazing speaker of it about what you can expect to hear from them regarding the sessions. We hope it would be helpful for you to attend the conference. So I welcome the Sumit on the stage. Hi Sumit, how
Hello,
are you?
hello. Thank you for having me here. I'm really glad to be here. And how are you?
Thank you for coming today. So, and at first, could you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Sumit Saurav. I'm based out of Bengaluru in India. I work as a senior developer advocate at a startup called Lingo.dev. I am quite active on Twitter or X, as it's now called, and Discord in our community. I write about web development, open source, and how people can get started with their contribution journey.
Oh, thank you. So could you please introduce your company, Lingo.dev? What is the main of work?
Sure. So we help developers ship software with perfect AI based software translations. There are essentially two topics that we specialize in. First is on the developer experience side of things. So we have a product such as Lingo.dev CLI or Lingo.dev compiler. And on the other hand, we are also trying to push the frontier of what's possible in the translation and internationalization space. So we invest quite a lot of resources in applied AI research to give organizations and companies of all scale tools that they need to produce perfect, authentic translations.
I see. So I watched the Ringo.dev website right now. So you are released the Ringo Dev compiler. It's a
Yeah,
brand new product, right? So
yeah,
what is the compilers?
yeah. So Lingo.compiler is one of those products that I'm personally very excited about every time I get a chance to talk about it. What it does is that typically when you think of internationalization, you typically have to maintain a lot of human resources in the loop, from translators to project managers who ensure that the nuances of translation doesn't get lost in while translating the software. What we do with compiler is that we make React applications multilingual without making code modifications. So all your components stay as is. We just provide you one component that you just wrap all your other component, or maybe just the root component within that component, and everything else gets translated automatically. You don't have to take care of anything, and it reduces engineering bandwidth quite a bit, because you don't have to engineering teams don't have to spend times managing translation. They just go along writing code, and the multilinguality aspect of it, it's really taken care of.
I see. So your profile, you are a developer of the AI ecosystem is very your sorry what your main role in Ringo.dev. So you are developers, also developer advocates or community manager, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I
So
see.
my role is of the official title is senior developer advocate, but I'm primarily
Mhm.
involved with community affairs. Internally, how we look at community is that we are really at an inflection point. We see the stats going up and up and up across all channels. So if somebody wants to begin their contribution journey, or somebody wants to build with Lingo, or somebody just wants to have fun, now is a perfect time to join us and get aboard the ship, so to speak.
I see. How about the situations in the for AI in Bangalore, India? So, how many developers focus on the AI products or developing something with AI?
Quite a lot, actually. I encounter AI developers almost every other day, particularly in my city, because it's known as the developer hub of my country. I
Mm.
see quite a lot of unique and novel solutions being built. Just yesterday, I came across somebody who's trying to build an educational platform based off of YouTube, so it's free of distractions and everything. So it's like trying to solve, your own problems in a very unique way while leveraging AI.
I see. So many currently, so many Japanese developers afraid to using AI because AI's uh, block or get the lose the programmer jobs. So
Yeah,
how about India? So they are focused on the just only AIs or not?
I think particularly, like, I've had those conversations with people as well, but I personally also, I like to look at the bright side of things, and if some technology enables me to, do my job better, I'll much rather
Mm,
leverage it than get scared of what would happen otherwise, right? So it's
mhm,
the same conversation whenever a new efficiency medium is unlocked. I'm pretty sure when cars were introduced to the market, all the carriers, like human carriers, would get scared, like we would lose jobs. And net, it's a gain for humanity as a whole. So I try to look at the bright side, but there is some skepticism. I'm not entirely free of it. Neither are developers in my city.
I see. So we are moving to the next topic about your session. So your session title is a Docs for the AI Age. It's very perfect theme. So in this conference, I think so many developers uh, care about the AIs right now. So could you please introduce your sessions?
Yeah, so my talk, as you said, is the title of the talk is documentation for the AI age, and I see documentation as that one aspect of product that touches everyone. So whether you're a developer or not, whether you work in marketing or not, whether you are just somebody who's looking to build a hobby project with some technology, or you're like a serious developer who's using that technology to build something in production grade, documentation is that one aspect of product that touches everyone. So I feel it's very crucial, and particularly given the AI landscape that we are currently in the middle of, somehow I feel are transforming documentation sites are transforming from being just something that you read to something that's more like an interface, so you can ask questions and get relevant answers directly. You see that happening a lot in devtool startups, and I think that is the way to go. I'll touch some topics like the state of documentation, how good documentation is structured, what changes when you bring AI in the loop, and it's just not humans writing and humans reading.
I see. I have some question about your session. So, in the age of AI, so how important will document become, or will they lose their value or something?
Great question. I think with AI, documentation is even more important because people tend to think that because nobody's reading documentation, it's just AI agents writing code, we should not focus that much on documentation. I think the contrary is true, because when AI is reading documentation, you lose a lot of nuance that humans would have otherwise captured. So your effort on documentation should be even higher than what it currently used to be, previously used to be, because AI now is a first class consumer of your documentation. It's not just other developers who would inherently get the context, or some like the underlying premise. AI needs to be explicitly told what is that supposed to be. So I think documentation effort increases on the product developer development part.
I see. So I like writing the blog article or writing a document, but sometimes I feel like I'm writing documentation for AIs, not humans. So please inspire or encourage me or other people with uh, writing the blog, writing documents.
The best way out is to just share what you've written. I write blogs a lot, not as much as I want to these past few months, but I write a lot. And the best way to really get that other humans are reading and not just some AI agent is to actually go ahead and share what your work is. Because when you do that, you inherently get comments and some criticism, some praise from other fellow human beings, and you'll know inherently that you're bringing some value to them, because nobody invests time in just nothing. Like, it has to be valuable. That's why people are commenting, that's why people are engaging with the content. So the best way out is to just go out in the world, maybe some meetup, some conference, and some local meetup in your city, and just share what you've done. You'll get a lot of feedback.
Cool. So in Japan, there is a meetups named technical writing meetups. So it has a lot of technical writer or documentation writers. So maybe your session is very suitable theme for them, I think.
Yeah, that's the
I
beauty of it.
see.
My session with everywhere.
I see. So our conference has a 3 days conference. So second day is marketing and business days, and day three is developer and community days.
Mhm.
Perhaps your session is suitable for day three, I think.
Yeah.
So developer community day. So many technical writer or developers uh, want want to see your session and get knowledge from you, I think.
Yep.
Okay, thank you so much, Sumit. So you have a lot of great experiences in technical writing, I think. So we're looking forward to hear your session at the conference.
Sure. Looking forward to it.
Yeah. So and I hope you will enjoy the conference and stay in Japan.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm pretty excited about it.
Okay. So maybe 3 weeks later, our conference will be began. So see you soon at the conference.
Sure. Sure. See you.
Yeah, see you. So, okay, everyone. So, how about the interview sessions? So, I announce it again. Our conference, DevRelKaigi 2025, will be held on the October 2nd to 4th, 2025 at the Tokyo. Tickets are now on sale. We hope you hold your attendance. See you next interview. Bye.